What if I told you that one of the most common fitness tips given to people over 50, just do squats to keep your glutes strong, might actually be causing more harm than good for many older adults? Squats are often praised as a must-do exercise. They're said to protect mobility, maintain strength, and help us stay independent as we age. And on the surface, that sounds reasonable. But here's what most people are never told. For adults over 50, doing squats without first fixing how your glutes are working can quietly lead to hip imbalance, knee discomfort, and one-sided weakness, especially if one glute is already weaker than the other. Instead of building strength evenly, the body often compensates. The stronger side takes over. The thighs work harder, the lower back steps in, and over time, the imbalance grows. And this isn't just theory. Research consistently shows that older adults who rely only on traditional lower body exercises often experience more joint stress than those who include gentle, targeted glute activation, especially in seated or supported positions. What's surprising is this: many people dealing with imbalance and discomfort aren't inactive at all. They walk regularly, they exercise consistently, they're doing their best, but without realizing it, they're skipping the weaker side of their glutes, allowing imbalance to slowly increase. And that's why today's video matters, because the first exercise we'll cover is so gentle and so overlooked that many people dismiss it entirely. Yet it can dramatically improve how you walk, sit, stand, and move, starting today. Before we begin, if you're over 50 or helping someone who is, drop a quick comment below with your first name, age, and where you're watching from. Dr. Bytes is about building a supportive, informed community of adults who want to stay strong, steady, and independent. We read every comment, and your stories shape future videos. You're not just watching, you're part of the mission. Why glutes matter after 50? Your glute muscles, especially the gluteus maximus and the gluteus medius, do much more than shape your appearance. They help with hip stability, balance and fall prevention, proper posture, lower back protection, efficient walking and standing. As we age, it's very common for these muscles to become less active or uneven, especially if you sit for long periods, favor one leg due to old pain or injury, walk more than you strengthen, or avoid strength work because of joint concerns. When glutes don't work evenly, the body compensates. One side of the pelvis may drop, the spine may twist slightly. Knees and lower back absorb stress they weren't designed to handle. Over time, this can lead to discomfort, poor posture, and reduced confidence in movement. The good news? You can fix this without heavy weights, high impact, or a gym. Today, I'll guide you through 3 seated and floor-based glute exercises designed specifically for adults over 50. They are gentle, safe, backed by biomechanics, easy to repeat at home. Each one has a clear purpose: reactivate side glutes, build overall glute strength, correct left-right imbalance. And the final one is the most important. Exercise number 3, seated hip abduction. This exercise looks simple, almost too simple. Sitting in a chair and gently pressing your knees outward doesn't seem like real strength training. Many people think it's just rehab. But here's what's often missed. The gluteus medius, the muscle on the side of your hips, is one of the most underused muscles after 50. Yet it plays a major role in balancing on one leg, preventing hip drop while walking, stabilizing the pelvis, protecting knees and lower back. If you feel unsteady on uneven ground, notice one knee collapsing inward, or sense one hip working harder than the other, this muscle may be underactive. How to do it safely? Sit tall on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, knees bent. Place a resistance band just above the knees or use your hands. Slowly press your knees outward. Hold briefly, squeeze the side glutes. Return slowly. Start with 10 to 12 controlled reps. If one side feels weaker, give that side a little extra attention. This movement gently reawakens the side glutes and prepares your body for better balance. Exercise number 2, seated glute bridge or hip thrust. This is one of the most powerful glute exercises for adults over 50 when done correctly. Unlike squats, this movement reduces knee stress, limits lower back strain, and teaches glutes to do their main job, hip extension. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your upper back supported by a couch or bench. Feet flat, about hip width apart. Press through your heels. Lift hips until shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. Pause briefly, then lower slowly. Focus on control, not speed. This exercise helps with standing up from chairs, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, supporting the lower back. Exercise number 1, single leg glute bridge, the most important. This is the exercise most people skip and the one that matters most. If one leg feels stronger, one hip drops when you walk, or one side always feels tighter, this is not your imagination. It's imbalance. Bilateral exercises allow the stronger side to take over. Single leg work removes that option. How to do it? Lie on your back, knees bent. Lift one leg. Press through the heel of the grounded foot. Lift hips slowly, keeping them level. Lower with control. Start with 6 to 10 reps per side. Begin with the weaker side. This exercise helps restore pelvic alignment, improve posture and walking, reduce lower back stress, build true left-right balance. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your physician or healthcare provider before starting a new exercise program, especially if you have pain, past injuries, or medical conditions. After 50, fitness isn't about doing more. It's about doing what your body actually needs. You don't need heavy weights. You don't need high impact. You don't need to push through pain. You need precision, balance, and consistency. These 3 exercises form a simple system: reactivate, strengthen, balance. Start small, stay consistent. Form matters more than force. Which of these exercises felt most helpful to you? Have you ever noticed one side feeling weaker than the other? Share your thoughts in the comments. Dr. Bytes is more than a channel. It's a growing community of strong, informed adults over 50 taking charge of their health. We're honored to have you here.